Now if you could notice now, we got the bar, we got the matting and steel bar. Now this matting make out a half-inch steel. This is a 4-inch bob, about 20 inches up, and these here put down at every foot. Right? Every foot. Starter's bar put down about every 3 feet. Now we decided to use blocks. You can use blocks because we only put 8 inches of concrete. As the concrete draw, we could slip them off. Now these steel here that coming out against the boxing is because here got to dig out. So when the concrete pour, you will press them down to hold the existing slab. Now we are not so much using this here to hold up anyway because this was the old existing wall. So what we're going to do, we make bars to come up from in there to come in here. Then we can drill some holes in here when it's done for and link that there into the wall. That's really what's happening all trading areas. To fill in all your pieces so the concrete won't drain is that we make some boxing to fill in areas to make sure I put what stone we got to put to make sure that the boxing keep within the limit. As I say, you could use blocks and that stuff because you ain't carry too much pressure at the other side to do that. And we put a laser bar. We run a laser bar to the steel to make sure that the steel won't go out the way. So that's what we did. So we can get ready now to pour some concrete.